Hello. So today we're going to see GST on transportation service. What is the transportation service GST? So transportation of milk 20,000 charge. Transportation of books on consignment on a single goods carrier 3,000. Transportation of chair in a single consignment in a goods carrier 600. Three things. So whether this service exempt or not. First, transportation of milk 20,000 exempt because transportation of milk by goods transport agencies exempted. So milk is exempted. So transportation makes it exempted. Point two. 3,000 for what? Transportation of books on consignment transport in single goods carriage. GST is payable. Exemption is available for transportation of goods only where the consideration of transportation of goods on the consignment transport is a single goods carriage and does not exceed 1,500. So goods of books. Books is transported, no issue. But if the consignment is below 1,500, no issue. But more than 1,500, it is taxable. Transportation of chair. Example. Transportation of goods, where consideration of transportation of all goods and goods for single consignee does not exceed 750 rupees. Every single consignment doesn't cross 750. That is exempted. So these are for goods transportation, mostly transportation. This is the case. Thank you.